What's the meaning of care in the community? Care in the community. Care in the community.
Care in the community. Care in the community. Care in the community refers to a policy that aims to provide support and care for individuals who require assistance to live in their own homes or within the community rather than in hospitals or other institutions. The policy usually involves a network of community-based services and healthcare professionals, including social workers, nurses, occupational therapists and care assistants. The ultimate goal is to improve the quality of life and independence of those who need support, while also reducing the burden on institutional care facilities. This policy has had varying levels of success, depending on implementation and funding.